Hi there, Jesse with discgolfmonkeys.com. We're going to revisit the Mamba. We did a review of the Champion plastic Mamba, and collectively we didn't really like it. We felt it was a little too understable for a distance driver. We had a lot of feedback in the comments from people saying, no, you've misjudged this disc. We love it, it's our favorite disc. For me, I think that, and this is just my personal opinion, never studied it, read up on it, I think that Star Plastic is a little more stable than Champion. So the Mamba is now out in Star Plastic. I picked one up. It's 171 grams, and we'll see if we like it any better. I want to like this disc just because all of the comments that blasted us. One other thing. As a reminder, we are not professional disc golfers. This review is from the perspective of average recreational players. I'm maybe low intermediate. Ken and Brandon are rec players. We drive between 275 and 325. We don't have huge arms. So let's check this disc out. Man, boy, I just can't stay out of that tree.
You could have put a little ante on it.
Pretty goddamn consistent.
Alright, so perhaps we owe the Mamba an apology. Getting it in Star Plastic and a few grams heavier seems to have made all the difference in the world with it turning over and staying turned over. I got very tight S throws with just a little bit of fade at the end. I could throw it very consistently. The thing maybe that I still don't like about it is to really get some good distance on it, you have to put a little ante on it, and when you do, you run the risk of putting a little too much ante on it and having it sail way off to the right. Other than that, I like it. Giving it a second chance, I'm glad I did.
Just threw the Star Mamba a few times. A little overstable. I put a little ante on it for my weak throws, so. But I think it'd be a pretty decent disc if I could get my amount of ante right.
Just got reviewing the Star Mamba. I like the disc. Oh, you want more?
Oh, the camera was rolling!